Today is the perfect day to be alive here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. You are with the Hostel Traveler, and I'm checking out these birds. I'm not sure if they were fighting, mating, or whatever, but they seem to be, look, sir, there they go, right there. Listen, if you're in Chiang Mai, make sure you stop by Lilite Hostel, top-notch hostel, top-notch people, and we're gonna learn how to eat for $4, that's right, $4 US, multiple meals with a special guest coming to the channel. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell.